this is board Kiats, and this car is a Kia Picanto, and the customers complain about his radio has a 3 dots on it. So I'm gonna show you what he said about the radio. So now I found that is 3 dots, 1 and 2 and 3. So I recommend to replace the whole radio because we cannot change just the display. So now I'm gonna show you how to remove this whole radio. So first we need to remove these plastics, this cover, and the cluster, this one, the cluster cover, and some screws, 2 screw or 4 screw underneath inside, and 1 nut. So alright guys, this is the tools that we need: flat screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and the plastic to pry the plastics, and ratchet, 10mm socket, and the extension. Okay. Alright guys, I'll show you now. So first we're gonna use this a plastic plier. Remove this one. See that, and remove this piece, cluster. Okay, then flip like that. All right, and second this one here. Right. Screwdriver, a flat screwdriver. Okay. This one also. Yep. Okay, like that, just hanging on. And now the screw in there, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the nut in the bottom. So first we need to remove the nut, 10mm nut. Yeah. All right, here, and the Phillips screw. Okay, other one. Right, second, third. Fourth one. Okay, and now you can pop it out. All right, and the connectors and the antenna. So what you're gonna do, just, you know, they have a lock in here for the connector. Just pop out like that, and the antenna here is here also. All right, so just have a clip, you know, to lock. So this whole piece need to be changed. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the new one also. Okay. All right, this is the new radio. So it's still in the box. So let's open on it, unbox on it, and that is the whole radio assembly. Okay, show it to you. Right, yeah, this is the new one. See, yeah. Okay, so we need to install this one. Alright guys, back. This is the new radio. So what we're gonna do, just plug the antenna and the 2 connectors for radio. Yep, clip. Okay, put it back. Like that, and then up inside. All right. Nice. So now we put it back, the screws. you're up. Okay. Okay, second one. Third one. Okay, last one. Okay, and the last, the nut. The nut. Okay, so if you want to make sure that the radio is working before you install everything, so you can test on it. So radio display is okay, no dot now, and you can try turn on if the speaker works. Yeah, works. So guys, so what you're gonna do is put it back all together. So customer is waiting. Okay, first you can put it back this cover, just pop in like that. Okay. Alright, make sure it's plugged. And second is this liner. Then pop in. Alright, last is this the cover. Down a little bit. Okay. Alright. All in top, and the radio is done. So what you're gonna do is set the time, the clock. What time now is 10:38. So okay, AM, date June. Today is 11, I think. 12. No, sorry, it's 12. Date format is 12 hours, so it's okay. So go to the channel.
Shout out to Mrs. Crofton.
Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my videos and for more videos. Okay, thank you guys.